Front ChatBot Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering using Front ChatBot for your business or personal projects, this review will give you everything you need to know before making your decision. Links to the product are in the description for your convenience. Let's dive in. Front ChatBot is a conversational AI tool designed for businesses that want to enhance customer communication, automate responses, and save time while improving user experience. It integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and websites, allowing businesses to engage with customers 24/7. The bot is customizable, supporting various industries such as e-commerce, healthcare, and SaaS. Whether you're handling customer inquiries, booking appointments, or assisting with product recommendations, Front ChatBot can adapt to your needs. Key features include an intuitive drag-and-drop builder, no coding required, advanced AI for natural conversation flow, multilingual support, and detailed analytics to track user interactions. One standout feature is its integration with CRM tools like HubSpot and Salesforce, making it easy to collect and manage customer data efficiently. Who is it for? Entrepreneurs, small businesses, and enterprises looking to improve customer support or boost sales will find it particularly useful. If you're tired of repetitive customer queries or looking for a cost-effective way to provide instant support, this tool is a game changer. However, if you're running a one-off project or have minimal customer interactions, it may not be the right fit for you. Overall, Front ChatBot delivers on its promises with robust features and flexibility, but it's essential to assess your specific needs before investing. If you're serious about taking your customer interactions to the next level, this tool deserves a spot on your radar. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and insights. Your support helps others discover valuable tools and resources. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.